As of May 2025, Dr. Riek Machar remains the first vice president of South Sudan, although he has been under house arrest since March 2025. In response to his detention, a faction within the Sudan People's Liberation Movement in opposition SPLM-IO appointed Phar Kuol, the Minister of Peacebuilding, as interim chair of the party. This move has sparked controversy and internal divisions within the SPLM-IO. Kuol's appointment has been met with resistance from Machar loyalists, who accuse him of conspiring with President Salva Kiir to undermine Machar's leadership. In April 2025, the SPLM-IO suspended Kuol from his positions within the party, citing his alleged collaboration with the ruling Sudan People's Liberation Movement in government SPLM-IG to create disunity and abrogate the revitalized agreement. The resolution of the conflict in South Sudan are ARCS's. Despite these internal party dynamics, there has been no official change in the national leadership. Dr. Riek Machar continues to hold the position of first vice president, and Phar Kuol has not been officially appointed to this role by President Salva Kiir or any recognized governmental authority. The situation reflects ongoing political tensions and instability within South Sudan's transitional government, raising concerns about the durability of the 2018 peace agreement and the country's path toward lasting peace.